I'm married. This is normal. How many of you are married? You all look happy. How come? I'm also happy. This happened 1 year ago. I got married to a girl. I was in a party and she was looking at me and I immediately fell in love with her. That doesn't happen very often. Not me falling in love with a girl, but some girl looking at me. She was looking at me and we fell in love and we got married. Whatever you do to others happens to you as well, right? When I was a bachelor, right now I'm living with my wife and a kid in Vasundhara Enclave. We have good neighbors as well. This is Gupta's family. His name is Ashish Gupta. I don't know why this guy always smiles when he looks at me. To tell you the truth, he laughs at me, I guess. Whenever he sees me, he starts laughing. I don't know why. So when I was bachelor, we were 3 guys living in a flat and there was a cook, Ramu. I used to give him 100 rupees, buy the vegetables, do this, do that, do the dishes, cook the food, wash this, wash that. Now, same thing is happening to me, but my wife is not that rude to me. She says, honey, do the dishes, please. Cook the food, please. Wash the nappies, please. And I do it. She's my wife. I love her. I get really tired, you know. My manager, he's not here, I guess. Is he? Okay. He gives me a lot of work. I work at 12, 13 hours a day. Then I go home, change the nappies, wash this, wash that, everything. But there has been good times as well. After marriage, we went for honeymoon as well. That was good. I will not talk about it much. I'm not comfortable talking about it. So when we came back, she was pregnant and okay, she was pregnant and after 9 months, we were blessed with a son. He's very, very cute. Now he's 2 months old. But after that, we had an argument that what name we'll give to him. So I had clearly thought in my mind, I'll name him Pappu. This is not funny. He's my son. So, but his name is not Pappu Dahuja now. Don't think that it's Pappu Gupta either. Don't think that way. So actually my name is Vikas Dahuja. So since I do not have a middle name, I always wanted my son to have a middle name. So I suggested Pappu Pyare Dahuja. Nice name. But my wife said we want to have Kumar, Pappu Kumar Dahuja. What a name! You like it? Pappu Kumar. So boring. So after 3 hours of argument, we decided that we'll name him Pappu Pyare Kumar Dahuja. But now I was confused. 2 middle names? Is that fine? I do not have many friends, so I called up Gupta's family. Hi Ashish, how are you? He starts laughing. I didn't tell him that my son's name is Pappu, but he was still laughing. So I said, Ashish, this is serious. Ashish, can we have 2 middle names? I mean, can someone have, I'm thinking about naming my son as Pappu Pyare Kumar Dahuja. He said, yeah, it's fine. It is fashion nowadays to have more middle names. You can have 4 middle names. Since it's a fashion, I'm very fashion conscious. So he suggested 2 names, Lal and Chand. So the final name went like Pappu Pyare Kumar, Lal Chand Dahuja. Short and sweet, But now my mother came into the scene. This is a big name. Kids will laugh at him when he goes to school. But it's a short and sweet name. You guys can also take it, no? Pappu Pyare Kumar, Lal Chand Dahuja. Okay, come on. I'll say it once, then you guys say it. Pappu Pyare Kumar, Lal Chand Dahuja. Come on, guys. Pappu Pyare Kumar, Lal Chand Dahuja. One more time, he's my son. Pappu Pyare Kumar, Lal Chand Dahuja. I can take it in 2 seconds. Pappu Pyare Kumar, Lal Chand Dahuja. Even you can do it. Go home, practice for half an hour. You can do it. But any cards you have shown me till now? No. Okay. So, but there are times when you get tired. I come home. There are already 10, 20. I love my son. He doesn't love me. He does this every 20 minutes. When I reach home, there are 20 nappies lying on the floor. My wife says, wash them, dry them, and tie them again. So I do it all night. Tie it, untie it, wash it, dry it. So I was tired. I talked to my wife that I need a break. I really need a break. I saw an ad on TV, Huggies. So we bought it, and now my son can do it all night. This, that, everything, and I need not worry about it. I can sleep now. But I'm from a middle class family and I'm the sole earner of the family. My wife does not work. So it is expensive. It's expensive? Yeah. So we thought about cutting some expenses. On Saturday, we all 3 sat, me, my wife and Pappu, to discuss about what expenses we need to cut. It's not serious. So After 3 hours again, it was decided that my expenses would be cut down. Now, I'll be buying one less jeans every year, one less shirt every year, and two less underwears every year. Less. But I buy only two underwears every year. How am I going to manage without that? I have to, he's my son. And anyways, who knows what I'm wearing inside? So, but after all this, after getting tired, working all day, all night, when I hold my son in my hand like this and hold my wife's hand when she's sleeping, she doesn't allow me that. I feel complete that this is the life I wanted. I wanted a good partner, I wanted a son, and now I've got it. I really feel complete. Now, some tips for you guys. First thing is, if you're not married, go get married. Life is beautiful after that. And becoming a father is one of the most beautiful things. Second thing is, do not buy vegetables from D&D Market in Vasundhara Ankle. It's very expensive. Rather come to Adobe every Monday. No, Adobe does not sell vegetables. Beside the building, there is a vegetable market. You'll get fresh and cheap. Is that a camera? I'm on TV. Hello, Babu. Hi. Papa on camera. This was smart.